You're in the kitchen with Chef Anthony, and today we're going to show you how to make roasted garlic Brussels sprouts with a miso glaze.
Half a cup of olive oil. Make sure you try to spread it evenly across the Brussels sprouts. Then we want to put about half a tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of garlic powder. Make sure it's powder and not garlic salt. As you see, we just put some salt in. I would say a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. So what we're gonna do is take a half a teaspoon of black pepper and sprinkle that in there. And then what we'll do is take a half a tablespoon of fresh garlic and marry it in there. Because you know, like I said, we're gonna mix all this together. We're gonna get all those flavors together. And you know, we're gonna make it do what it do. 2 teaspoons of lemon in there. Get that pop. You know, when that garlic is roasted and everything is caramelizing, as they say. Put you some gloves on and mix. What you want to do is spread the Brussels sprouts all across. And once we have all the Brussels sprouts on the pan, guess where it goes?
Okay, so now, since the Brussels sprouts are nicely roasted, caramelized, what we want to do is hit it with that miso glaze. Y'all ready for that miso glaze? You know, I'm gonna finally paint these joints with that miso glaze and garlic. You know, so you guys can enjoy that savory but sweet taste. And that is your roasted garlic Brussels sprouts. Now what we're gonna do is douse it with some Parmesan. And some bacon.